Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to view and change user account access levels or permissions using the command line. Alright, so on this computer we have three users. We have Todd, who is a local administrator using a Microsoft account, Cindy, who is a standard user using a Microsoft account, and then Steve, who is a local user and also a local administrator. Alright, so here are the commands we're going to be using to view and make these changes. So we're going to start with the net user command, just in case you wanted to see all of the accounts on your computer, even the ones that don't show up in the Windows settings there. So we need to run an administrator command prompt, so CMD, run as administrator, or right click it, run as administrator. Alright, so if we do net user, you can see we have an administrator account, which is not showing, guest, which is not showing, this other account here, Cindy, Steve, this other account here, default account, and Todd. So our three main accounts we could see there. So if we want to see information about an account, we could use the net user with the account name. So we'll do that for Cindy here. So we have the full name, the account is active if the account expires, password last set, it's changeable, password required, yes, user may change, password, yes, all hours allowed, and here are the group memberships. So just users. So if we do the same thing here for Steve, you can see he is an administrator and also a user. Okay, so now we're going to use the net local group administrators account name add command to add Cindy to the administrators group. All right, so now let's check her again. So now Cindy is part of the administrators group. If we go back here, you can see she's an administrator. And then if we want to reverse it, we could just do this command with delete instead of add. Let's check it out again. And now she's just part of users. All right, so once again, if you want to see all of your users, use the net user account. This comes in handy if you don't know the actual user name, and this name will match their actual username if you look at their folders here. So this is another way to find it, like so. So we have Todd S because that's shortened, and Cindy is not shortened. So if we do that again, you see we have the Todd S. So that's another way to find it if you don't use the net use command. All right, and then net user account name to find detailed information about a user, and then these two commands to add it or remove it from the administrators group. All right, so I'll put this in the description, and then you can just copy and paste it and edit it as needed. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.